Hello. I'm back. That's also really naughty because right now I'm using my iMac for everything. So that's editing videos, editing photo, streaming on Twitch, because I do have boot camp. However, let's be real, an iMac and boot camp work, but they aren't friends. So I decided to, oh god, this is heavy, go buy a computer for streaming on Twitch. I did get a laptop, and the reason for that is I want to be able to stream myself baking on Twitch, and I can't do that with my iMac or a desktop. Obviously a desktop would be a lot smarter because more power, more ports. You can build in the capture card, you can get better graphics, etc. I know it's more cost effective to the desktop, but for my purposes, and also wanting to have a mobile computer, this was the best option. Okay, we'll do it this way. Okay, so there's a lot of gaming laptop options, obviously. However, because I like branding, I went with Razer. Also because this was on sale since it's, being discontinued. Now I know Razer is not obviously the... let's not have that be stuck to me. Okay, let's go. So Razer is not obviously the best for your money, but it makes me happy. So I got the 15-inch Mercury, so the Mercury White, which is really just silver, let's be real. And then it has the 2070 Max Q, and it's the 4K panel. So this is the only model my Best Buy had for anything Razer laptop related, which is fine. I basically got it because, one, it's a 4K panel, so going from my iMac to this isn't gonna strain my eyes, because when you downgrade resolution, it kind of screws with your eyes a little bit. So that's great. And also was $500 off its retail price, which was $23.99. You can get this in the black version for like $100 less, so you can get it for $16.99 instead of $17.99, which this is right now. But I mean, whatever. I also ordered a sleeve for this. I will probably insert a little picture maybe somewhere. However, my Best Buy did not have the sleeve in stock, which is not surprising because it's also like not in stock anywhere else. Like in person anyways, that I could find. Oh my god. So I don't have time to cut this open, but we're gonna try to use tape. Oh. So there's obviously a box in a box, let's be real. Alright, so at the very top of our boxy box is our giant freaking power brick. I'm also gonna move that just because my information's on there, and I just realized that although there's nothing like super personal, it's just look at my name. Alright, little corrugated plastic boy, which is recyclable apparently. I appreciate that, thank you. Alright, so we got big old charging cord boy. Nothing new, regular old 3-prong. Then we got this beast. So this is a beast. The nice thing about it is it does have the nice little large cord wrap, and then the cord's braided, which I appreciate so much. So inside is the actual laptop. More plastic. But that's fine. Alright. So here is our lovely inner box. On the back, it talks about the Forest Star Wars Ship Council, because we wanna help the environment. All right, can I just? Oh, it's a pull. Just all right. I thought it was like a tabbed. Yeah. Anyways, there it is. A little Razer boy, and also another message about life. Go green with Razer. We love sustainability. Alright. This is heavy on my wrist, let's be real. Alright, let's lift up this boy. It's got some weight because it's a unibody aluminum boy. The big boy. Nothing wrong with that though. Alright, and then inside. Oh, biodegradable airbags. That's nice. Anyways, we have our little tiny, manual bag, box, slip, the usual gamers for gamers on there. And here I believe it's very minimal. Alright, so we have, thank you for choosing them. Oh, little letter. Congratulations, there's no turning back. Everyone knows that it's not just brute force that wins battles. Lies. It also requires strategy and agility. That's why we put countless hours into the design and testing of our systems to find the most effective approach. Our systems are a mix of high performance and high practicality. As such, lightweight... No. And slim design... I'll call that slim. The days of luggables are gone, and new beginning is on the horizon. The days of the Razer systems. And then it goes on to... looks like French. Alright, so we have our lovely manual, which just tells you all about it, obviously. Which I don't think I'll keep in realisticness. Oh, LED indicator. Oh, that's nice. White is in asleep, green is on. A just red dot is 10% battery, and a flashing red light is 3%. That's kind of nice. Okay, we love that. Very, very simplistic, to the point. Ooh, my favorite, some holographic sticker boys. Having this light too bright actually works in this case, because look, you can really see that. I might buy a D-brand skin to fucking put these on or something. And then of course just, a little microfiber cloth boy. I don't know if you can see the little emblem, but it's there. Alright, that's that. So we'll go ahead, set that aside. Alright. You hear that? That's plastic just waiting to peel off. Now, it's not MacBook plastic, but it's plastic. Oh, this feels so nice. I'll be honest, I don't really like silver laptops, but one, the black wasn't available, and two, the matte black, you can see oil and fingerprints like there's no tomorrow, so I'd rather just stick with... Oh, this is not gross. I need to wash this. I'd rather just stick with regular old silver. Alright. So this has the little hinge that pushes it up, so you open it. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Oh, it has this little dust shield. I'm gonna keep the little dust shield, because let's be real, if I sell this, having that is helpful. So we're gonna keep this box. Alright. I already got fingerprints on here. I'm doing great. Ooh, I like how everything's like all rainbowy. Can I like take off the sticker though? I don't want that on there. Can that come off? Yes, okay, it just peels. Okay, cool. It just has a little sticker to tell you that's a 4K panel. Even the back is metallic. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, good. This one has a little peel tab too. Okay. I don't think you guys heard that, but oh my god. That was so satisfying. Alright. So, I have never owned a Razer laptop, and I have never played around with one in person, so I don't know how the keyboard's gonna feel, but... Oh. It feels like, it kind of feels like the Apple keyboard. It's similar, not like in terms of travel, but in terms of like actual feel. Gonna do work. Yeah, I like that. So what do we got? So we got our proprietary power boy. We got Ethernet jack, which is also why I wanted the base model. This is the base model. I got it for two reasons. One, I want the Ethernet jack, and two, I wanted the extra storage slot so I can put another blade in there, because I need storage. And of course, USB 3, USB-C, headphone jack, and then we got, I think that's a Kingston key lock, or HDMI, important. Two more USB A, and then we do have, I think this is the Thunderbolt one, if I remember correctly. You Thunderbolt? I don't know. One of them's Thunderbolt. Who knows? Oh, and then here's just the underside. Just our lovely little fanboy, which I appreciate. It just has the vents like that, so that should work great. But this is just, it feels so nice. It feels wonderful, and I appreciate the indicator. It's gonna be weird to use this. Oh, can I one finger? No? Okay. Oh, the only downside is much like Max, it's a really terrible 720p camera, which stinks. That's okay. Alright, I'm gonna leave this here because I need to set this up, and I don't think y'all really wanna watch me turn it on. I could do a product shot, but I'm not good at that. Anyway, see you later. Bye! Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. There we go.